In this video from Device Doctor, I will show you how to service the fuser unit of the Canon i-SENSYS MF421dw, including cleaning and lubrication.
If you're having trouble with your printer, you can fix it for free on your own. If you have any technical questions or aren't sure which printer to buy, just ask us for expert advice and free support.
The fuser unit is one of the most important parts of a laser printer. It uses heat and pressure to permanently bond toner to the paper. Over time, the fuser lubricant can dry out and toner residue can build up inside the unit, causing increased friction, unusual noise, poor print quality, paper wrinkles, and premature wear of internal parts. Regular fuser maintenance helps keep the film sleeve moving smoothly, protects the heater and other components, and extends the life of the fuser unit. To remove the fuser unit, some of the printer covers need to be removed first. This provides access to the fuser assembly and allows it to be safely disconnected and removed from the printer. Make sure to disassemble the printer carefully to avoid damaging or breaking any covers. We have shown the disassembly process clearly and step by step, so make sure to watch the video carefully before starting this procedure. Now open the fuser unit covers to access and remove the fuser from the printer. This step is simple, but it requires careful handling. Make sure to watch the video carefully and follow each step to avoid damaging any parts. Now carefully disassemble the fuser unit to access its internal components. Take your time during this process and handle all parts gently to avoid any damage. If your fuser film sleeve is still in good condition, there is no need to replace it. However, if the sleeve is worn or damaged, it is better to replace it with a new one. Now we use high-quality permanent lubrication to lubricate the fuser heater, helping the film sleeve move smoothly and reducing friction during operation. You can easily purchase this grease from online stores or printer supply shops that provide laser printer parts and accessories. Now we reassemble the fuser unit and install it back into the printer. Make sure to reconnect all cables and tighten all screws properly to ensure everything is installed correctly. Now that the fuser unit has been completely serviced, we carefully reinstall it back into the printer. Before closing everything, make sure all cables are connected correctly and all screws are tightened properly. Every connection and part must be installed in the correct position to ensure the printer works safely and reliably. After reinstalling the fuser unit, we put all printer covers back in place and complete the final assembly. It is very important to check that no parts are left loose and that everything is properly fitted before turning on the printer. Once the printer is fully assembled, we power on the Canon i-SENSYS MF421dw and wait for it to initialize. After that, we perform a test print to check the final result. This final test helps us confirm that the fuser is working correctly, the paper moves smoothly through the printer, and the print quality is back to normal. As you can see, regular fuser maintenance helps keep the printer operating smoothly, reduces wear on internal components, and extends the service life of the machine. The printer is now ready to continue working reliably.